Hi guys, this is Abhijit and you're watching the Auto Portfolio. So first of all, a very happy and prosperous new year to you and your family. May this new year bring you lots of happiness, success and also well-being. Right? So I'm really very sorry I could not post the video since a month. There were a lot of things happening in the background. So actually, you know what? I had actually recorded a video of servicing my bike, and I could not upload it since the video was so long. It was taking a lot of time to render. So the video is still rendering, and I'm still editing that video. So once that is done, then it will be put on right away. In today's video, we will be discussing about the automobile exhaust. I will explain you how the automobile exhaust works, and I think it is important for everyone who drives a car or a bike to know how their exhaust system works since you're on it, right? So I will give you a very easy explanation. Let us not just go very deep. The video will get too long and it will be too boring also. So before getting into the explanation or operation of automobile exhaust, first let us understand why the exhaust system is used in the automobiles. Okay, there are mainly two reasons why the exhaust systems are used. The first one is to eliminate the sound in the nature, and second one is not to pollute the nature or the environment, right? So in the automobile exhaust, I will just pin a picture here. So basically almost all the cars and bikes have three components in the automobile exhausts, right? So the first component is called as the catalytic converter, the second component is called as the resonator, and the third component is called as the muffler. Okay, so what do they do, right? So how the process flow is done. So where is the exhaust gases entering and where is it exiting, right? So guys, the first part of the exhaust system is the catalytic converter. Okay, so this is the first part where the exhaust gases flow into the exhaust system, right? So here, what is the role of catalytic converter? Catalytic converter acts as kind of a purifier in the automobile. So what happens is that when the exhaust gases are burnt, when the petrol is burnt in the engine, the gases produced by the engine are very harmful to the atmosphere, right? In order to make this gases less harmful, it is passed through the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter has different metals like platinum, etc., and it will convert more harmful gases like carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide before letting it into the atmosphere, right? So you can tell that it kind of purifies the air. Not actually purifies is a very very clean word that I'm using, but then it will convert the gases which are more harmful to less harmful, right? So this is the basic part of the catalytic converter, right? So after this, the gases will enter the second part, that is called as the resonator. Okay, so what resonator does, basically what resonator does is it will alter the engine sound. Okay, if you listen to the engine in a very raw state, it will the sound of the engine is very sharp and very harsh, and it is very very wide and rough. Okay, so resonator helps the engine noise to make it more soothing, and in fact it will reduce the sharpness of the sound, right? So resonator does not decrease the volume of an engine, but then it will alter the noise in such a way that it is more soothing to the human ears, right? So second part is the resonator, and after the gases passes through the resonator, it will enter the last part, that is the muffler. Okay, so the main part of the muffler is to uh, reduce the volume of the sound which is produced by the engine. Okay, mind you, the resonator soothes the sound and the muffler will reduce the sound, right? So this is more or less about the exhaust system. Okay, just to summarize, here the catalytic converter helps in converting the more harmful gases into less harmful gases. The resonator will try to alter the engine noise, makes it more soothing, and then it passes it to the muffler. The muffler, what it does is, in order to avoid a sound pollution, it will decrease the sound of the engine. Okay, so it will be very smooth. If you are referring to a petrol car nowadays, it will not even make much sound. That is because of the engine refinement as well as the exhaust system used in this. So exhaust system will play a very important role in the automobile industry, right? So you guys must be wondering how the sports cars have very loud sound and very sporty kind of a sound. So how is that possible? So there are two types of alterations that will be done in the sports car. So one is the catback exhaust. In catback exhaust, what happens is, apart from catalytic converter, nothing will be there. That means from the engine there will be a catalytic converter attached in the exhaust system, and after that there is no resonator or no muffler. Okay, so you might be wondering why is it like that. So sports car are meant for performance. Okay, so weight reduction is a main part in sports cars. So if you delete the muffler and the resonator, that helps in the weight reduction, and in fact it helps in performing better since the weight is less. Thing called as straight pipe. So in this straight pipe there is no catalytic converter, there is no resonator, and there is no muffler. So the sound will be crazy, and there will be no purification of air in this case, and there will be no reduction of the volume of the engine sound. Okay, the engine sound will sound raw and very very sporty. Okay, I will try to include the clips of the sound of the catback exhaust as well as the straight pipe exhaust, so you can listen to it and enjoy it. So this is more about the exhaust system. If you have liked the video, please push the like button, and if you found it informative, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.